Every time you stop at the gas station, you think you're doing your motorcycle a favor, refilling its veins with the fuel it needs to keep roaring. But what if I told you that the very act of refueling, the way you do it, the habits you repeat without even noticing, might be slowly poisoning your machine from the inside out? See, most riders don't realize this. Your motorcycle's engine is more like a living organism than a mechanical object. It breathes, it burns, it reacts, and every drop of fuel you give it affects its heart, its lifespan, and its soul. But here's the trap. The mistakes that kill motorcycles don't happen all at once. They're small, quiet, invisible. A little spill here, a little overfill there. Cheap gas from the wrong pump, storing it wrong, refueling at the wrong time, or ignoring the small details that the real riders, the ones who know their machines, never overlook. And that's how it happens. The slow death of your motorcycle begins, one careless refill at a time. So before you top up again, before you trust that next liter of fuel, watch closely, because these 9 refueling mistakes aren't just costing you performance, they're silently killing your motorcycle from within. 1. Overfilling tank. When you top off the tank till the fuel nearly touches the cap, you're not giving your motorcycle more power. You're choking it. Excess fuel floods the vapor system, damages sensors, and can cause leaks when it expands. That tiny overflow may look harmless, but it slowly corrodes the paint, weakens rubber seals, and eats away at your fuel system. 2. Hot refueling. Right after riding, your engine and tank are still hot. Pouring in cold fuel then causes condensation inside, which turns into rust and sediment. That contamination sneaks into your injectors and silently reduces your throttle response and performance. 3. Wrong octane. Many riders believe higher octane means better performance. It doesn't. If your bike isn't tuned for premium, it burns inefficiently and leaves carbon residue. Too low, and it causes knocking and overheating. Always use the exact octane your bike's manual recommends. 4. Dirty stations. Fuel from old or neglected pumps carries water, rust, and dirt straight into your engine. You won't notice it immediately, but over time it clogs your filters, damages injectors, and reduces engine life. Choose trusted, high-turnover stations only. 5. Skipping additives. Fuel residues and ethanol buildup slowly suffocate your engine. A good fuel cleaner every few refills clears out gunk, restores power, and keeps your combustion crisp. Ignore it too long and your throttle loses that sharp bite. 6. Low fuel levels. Running your bike on fumes forces it to suck the dirtiest fuel at the tank's bottom, full of rust, sediment, and moisture. Keep it above 1/4 to protect the fuel pump and prevent internal clogging. 7. During deliveries. Refueling while tankers are filling station tanks stirs up dirt and water from the bottom. That's exactly what ends up in your motorcycle. Always wait a few hours after fuel deliveries before refueling. 8. Loose cap. A loose or missing cap lets in moisture and air, leading to fuel evaporation, rust, and poor efficiency. Always twist it until you hear that satisfying click. It's the sound of protection. 9. No stabilizer. Leaving your bike stored without a fuel stabilizer lets gasoline break down into sticky varnish that clogs injectors. Add a stabilizer before long storage. It's the simplest way to keep your engine alive. Every motorcycle has a soul, and how long it lives depends entirely on how you treat it. Most riders think they're doing everything right until their bike starts losing its roar, its smoothness, its life, and by then, it's too late. These tiny refueling mistakes don't show up in a day. They build up, quietly eating your motorcycle from the inside. So the next time you refuel, remember, it's not just fuel you're giving your bike, it's respect. The kind of respect that separates real riders from careless ones. Now tell me honestly, which of these mistakes have you been making without realizing it? Drop it in the comments below, because every answer might save another rider's motorcycle. And if you truly love your machine, hit that subscribe button. Because here, we don't just talk about bikes, we teach you how to keep their hearts beating forever.